Alright, YouTube, I'm starting my turbo journey, and I got this far with it, and now I'm gonna start documenting everything I do, so give y'all something to watch. I started off with this collector right here. When I got the collector, it was going to a 2.25 inch to a 4, and I knew that 4-inch output was too much, so I reduced it with a coupler right here to 3-inch. So everything from this exhaust right here, which is coming down here, got to go to this collector and make it way over there in that corner right there. That's where the turbo is going to be. I don't have it now, but by the time I do my exhaust and I get to the middle of this, get to the middle of connecting both sides together, I'll have that turbo over there, I promise. And I might have to cut this radiator down. I will. This little housing right here, I'm gonna cut that down so this radiator can fit in there a little bit more. This is my limit right here. You can see right here. That's my limit. This part right here. Or I can cut that back and reinforce it with more, metal rods, so it won't lose its strength as far as closing the hood up. And I positioned this collector right here because I was gonna go down, as far as in the motor down here, some going under and head over that, but I decided to give it that little mean look, just to go curve it here along this way. It's gonna keep the heat pretty much on the hood, but I'll put some, heat resistant paint up there and mats and stuff. And let me get that flange so I can show y'all how that goes in there, and then we can start our flanges right here. Get the D-port flanges, and I tack welded some stubs that I got from stainless steel headers. Got them from stainless steel headers, and I tack welded onto the flange. And I'm gonna fit that on that motor and see how that looks. And I got some J-bend pipe to cut my own bends out, cause I don't have a pipe bender, so I'm probably gonna have to end up buying 8 of these, or even probably like 6, cause I'm gonna have something left over to play with all the rest of the exhaust. But each one of those have to go to that collector. And I also have this V-band right here. This V-band gonna have to go on that collector. So instead of making the pipes all one piece, let me see, can I take this out of here? Making that pipe all one piece, this little connector can turn into a 2-piece. And I'll have to pretty much weld that on there, so when if I need to get down, if I need to get over here and that exhaust pipe is in the way, I can disconnect it from here, so I don't have to, mess with the whole exhaust, because that'll be a headache. So pretty much from here to over there is going to be a separate piece that I can disconnect whenever I want. So that's that. And that V-band, and this will be that other side. This will be the other side of that 3-inch pipe going across the radiator. And this right here, this clamp just connects both and hold it on like that. So let's see, can I fit that flange in, see how it looks. I haven't tried to see how it looks with these new sizes yet, because I had to change it because I had 2-inch at first. Now these are 2 1/4. So let me see how that goes, and let's see. So I'm putting this flange in here now, just test fitting and see where my cuts gotta go. I want a bigger pipe, so I mean I'm gonna have tighter areas to fit in. As you see right now, if you can see that number 4 has to really get cut back and bend and make a bend, because this is our steering and you definitely can't hit that, so we know we gotta cut that. And this one, probably cut this back just a little bit, so we can make that bend onto here. That's the number 3. But if you can see down here, that number 1, it might have enough room. Probably cut that back just a little bit. This number 2 definitely got enough room to make the bend. I might have not to cut anything right here, but we'll see. But pretty much this has to go from here all the way, curving all the way to here, all the way to this right here, So we'll see how this work out. Cut these back and test fit it again and see if that's where I want them to go. So let's go to the lab and see. First I'm gonna make lines for what I want it to be cut. I'm gonna do that right now. 1 second. Okay, I made the marks where I think I should have them. For me to cut that, for me to have a nice curve right here without hitting this steering, I'm gonna have to really cut that back like right here to make that curve so tight that I won't have to hit that steering hole right there. Cut this 3 back to where, pretty much where I want the cuts. And that's 1 right there. See if I can see that. That's 2. So number 1, I wanted to go right here in this corner spot right here. Sorry, it's kind of tight in here. Yeah, let me adjust this. This spot right here. This is where I want to go. That's where I want to put the number 1. And number 2, which is down here, I'm gonna travel this exhaust to right here. This is my number 2. Then I'll make this one 3. Make this one 3 right here, which is right here. Number 3. And number 4 back there. Right there. Number 4. Curving this up, making it go right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a good angle? Yeah, I know what I'm saying. But that's pretty much. I'm gonna make those cuts, and this will be part 1 of my turbo journey. Y'all stick with me, man. I'm pretty sure I'm learning myself. So if if anybody find ways I should do stuff better, just message me, and I'll read it and see if it makes sense. I'll do it, but it's gonna take some time, and just stick with me. All right, YouTube.